He hung up his fiddle and he hung up his bow, and he knew it was time for him to go. Late in the evening, a bouncing down on the hill and above the town, like a fiddle, like a fiddle, Lord, how it rang. You could hear it talk, you could hear it sing. Ring, you could hear it talk, you could hear it sing.
It's on. Hello, thank you very much. We are the Barbary Coast Cloggers. We've been around for the last 40 years, and we are the Bay Area's clogging group. Clogging is America's first folk dance, as the announcer first introduced. When the immigrants first came, I'm out of breath. Whew. Don't get old, people. When the first immigrants came to the Atlantic coast, people started partying together. People would share their instruments. The music became bluegrass. The banjo came from Africa, the fiddle, the guitar, all from Europe. They would all play their instruments. Everybody would do their folk dances from Africa, from Europe, from North America. And then they all learned from each other. And the dance that came together has come to known as clogging. So, in the 1940s, team clogging became a thing. We started mixing clogging with square dance formations. We have metal taps. This is my first time in 2 decades actually to clog on carpet, so you probably can't hear our taps as loud as we normally are. But we have loose double taps, which we can show you all later. But our next 2 numbers has some infusion of square dance from team clogging. So ladies and gentlemen, we have Foggy Mountain Breakdown and Orange Blossom Special. So while they catch their breath. So we're called the Barbary Coast Cloggers. We're one of the first 2 all-male clogging groups in the world back in the 80s. We took the name Barbary Coast because San Francisco in the 1800s was about 14 men to every 1 woman. But most cloggers around the world are actually female, which makes us a little bit more unique. Clogging is still a living folk dance. There are clogging classes you can take in Germany, Australia, in Taiwan, in the United States, in Canada. There are cloggers everywhere. And as a living folk dance, we're still growing. New steps get created all the time. We've clogged to hip hop, we've clogged to Bollywood, we've clogged to K-pop, clogged to all sorts of things. So, if you do want to learn more about clogging, we'll come around after the show. We have a word search, but it also has a QR code to a Kahoot. And on the Kahoot, you can play online and learn more about clogging and see more of our dances. You will see some ham bone, which is the, ooh, they're getting serious. You're gonna see some ham bone, which comes mostly from African and German traditions. Ham bone's also called juba, and that's when our early African dancers would use their thighs and their hands to create music. And similarly, in Germany, the dance Schuhplattl, which literally translates to shoe slapping, there are a lot of clogging steps where we hit our shoes, and so that comes from Germany. I guess we're gonna make a little bit more noise for our last dance. So, again, after this, we'll come around with the sheet with a QR code so you can learn more about clogging, play a little word search. All of our steps have cute little names. You got a kangaroo and a turkey and a donkey, a unicorn, a finicky, a high horse, all sorts of steps. And here is our final dance.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Billy of Tea. The winds blew up her bow, up down, oh below my bully boys blow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. All hands to the side, harpooned and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. No line was cut, no whale was freed. The captain's mind was not of greed, and he belonged to the whaleman's creed. She took that ship in tow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack, then tight once more. All boats were lost, there were only 4, but still that whale did go. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. As far as I've heard, the fight's still on. The line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The Wellerman makes his regular call to encourage the captain, crew and all. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.